Hailstorm in Baton Rouge. My poor plants are going to take a licking today. Tomato plants over there. Melon over there. All that is hail. Main garden over there, I can't go out there in the rain. Both behind the car with my main garden, and it's taking a licking too on there. Yep. This is not a very good day for the garden. Well, the rain is good for it. The rain is definitely good for the garden, but this hail, I don't think it's going to do it much good at all. I hope it doesn't do it much good. I'm hoping that that all the water for the garden is not offset by the hail. But it's just raining hard now, and after about 2.5 minutes, it appears that the hail has stopped, and all that we have is rain. But it's pretty bad out here today. So I suppose I'll be staying inside all day today. I don't have any reason to get outside, and I will not do so.